and we have packed up. Kalu, say hi. Kalu, hi. Kalu, hi.
Hello.
So yes, अभी थोड़ी देर के लिए लाइट ऑफ हो गई है. Welcome to the Basus, by the way. We are in the Basu house. Kalu!
अलग बिस्तर में घुसा है.
Yes, so apparently we have packed up. Pack up हो गया. आज का दिन समाप्त हमारे लिए, काम समाप्त और हम अब आराम कर सकते हैं, thankfully. And it had been a long day for us because we're still celebrating Holi, we're still messed up and we still need to wash our faces, we still need to take showers to clean ourselves. So yeah, it's pack up time and again, as usual, like every day, we are gonna have some shower time, we're gonna clean ourselves. It's the usual drill. I mean, just waiting for these Holi episodes to get over. And we're packed up. Hi Rashmi, hey, take my name. Suman, Raut, hi. Hi, hey Suman. Hey sweetie, hi. Hi Azra. Hey. Hey, hi. Hi Mehak. Hello. Hi Prapti, hey, what's up? Hey Queen. Hey Aditi. Hey Khaled. What's up? What's up Khaled? How are you? I'm gonna see you very soon. भाई बोलना. ऐसे उसको लग रहा है लाइव आ गया.
लाइव चले आपका. क्या कर रहा था?
रंजन अभी तो लाइव है. Ranjan is blushing. He's our EP. Say hi, Ranjan. Hi. Today case है. वो आज कसौटी को 6 महीने हुए. सितंबर 25, आज मार्च 25. क्या? अच्छा. Yeah, man. Yeah, Khaled. Holi is going on till Christmas, I think. Thank you Chaitra Nama, happy Holi, and thank you so much for congratulating on the award, and thank you Sana, thank you so much. Hey Nikhil, what's up? Hi Nisha from Darjeeling. Hey Sonia, hi. What's up? Oh yeah, this is something that I want to show you guys. This is our entry of the set. This is the entrance of the Basu house of our set. So yeah. Congrats on winning the guy. Thank you, Masha. Thank you, Khaled. I want treat. Yes, of course. Thank you, Khaled. Cake. Yes. Where is my gift, by the way? Where is my birthday gift? You haven't given me anything, Scarlett. Where is it? Thank you, Jitu. Hi, Risha. Hi. Thank you, Risha. Thank you so much for wishing me. When am I meeting Neeti Taylor? Very soon, yeah. Whenever we both have time from our shoots, from our work, and of course. Thank you so much for your congratulations. Thank you for wishing me. And अरे हाँ, IQ अवार्ड की फोटो मैं अपलोड करूँगा. Thank you so much for reminding me. Thank you Anshika. Thank you. Khaled, you're saying they didn't let me get inside the club. So where is it? You should have met me and you should have given it to me outside the club, but you didn't. So liar. Stop lying. Kushi Desai, hey, hi. Hi Kanani Divya. Yes, Khaled. Sir, 5 minutes, sir. Yeah, my director tells me कि go pack up हो गया है. But no. There'll be a day मेरा पैकअप जल्दी होगा. Thank you so much. Thank you Pranati. Thank you. Thank you Lakshita. Happy Holi. Happy Holi. Outside the club, I have to show you pictures and everything. Yes, Khalid, I know very well what pictures and videos you've clicked shamelessly. I know how shameless you are. So yeah, I know it very well. When will be free from shift? Okay. Rebhav, hey. Hey Rebhav, hi. Okay. Hi, Husana Fernandez. See, I took your name. Hey Reshma, happy Holi, happy Holi. From Maldives all the way. Inshallah, I would love to visit one day, very soon. Maldives is a beautiful place. Hey Ziho, hi. Hey Muskan from Udaipur. Kirtana, happy Holi. Thank you Arshita Singh, thank you. Thank you Ritika Verma. Rejuvenated Taruna, this color suits you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
तुम बहुत स्पीड में जा रहे हो, पीछे वाला क्या करेगा? बच गया मैं अभी.
So I'm walking towards my makeup room since we've packed up. We just have to get ourselves changed, take a shower. I'm hungry, really hungry. I need food. I need lots of food. Hey Rashi, hi. Happy Holi, yeah. Happy Holi. I love your episode. Thank you, Payal. Thank you so much. Aradhya, thank you. Thank you, Monica. Thank you, Gracie. Thank you. IPL में कौन सा टीम? IPL में कौन सा टीम? I think, see, I'm a big fan of MS Dhoni. So I think I will go for CSK, Chennai Super Kings. And it's very entertaining. IPL is very entertaining. And of course, we won the first match also with RCB. So yeah, that's a good start for CSK. Hey, this is Trisha. Hi Trisha. Hi. Belated happy birthday. Thank you so much, yaar. And you guys, thank you so much for making my birthday so special. And it has been a great birthday. And of course, I'll come to Delhi very soon. Dia, I'll come to Delhi very soon. Hey Sheetal, hi. Where is Erika? Erika has gone to her makeup room to get changed, get herself changed because we have packed up. So yeah. Happy Holi, yaar. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you Tasneem, thank you. Hey Sarvat, hi. What's up? So apparently it's been the longest time since I've been live on Instagram. Sorry for the delay. And yes, I have enjoyed my birthday. I had a great month, March, and I'll be traveling soon. This month end itself. Yes, travel plans. I'm so excited because I love to travel, and I'm really excited so that I can pack my bags and take off for vacation, go on a break, and just be with myself. Yeah, Bangalore again? No, yeah, Bangalore. For now, though, at least let's take a break. But yeah, some other place. Say Tanvi. Hi Tanvi. Hey Tanvi. What's up? Please take my name. Mehak Goyal. Hi Mehak. Hi. Hey Shiva from Dehradun. Hi. So I get to see a lot of people from a lot of places from across the country, not only across India but also from the United States, from Nepal, from Maldives, from Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. So that's amazing. I mean, I'm overwhelmed with the response, and I'm really glad to receive such a good response to my character and also the show. So thank you so much. And God by force, yes, of course, inshallah, we are working hard and we are giving our best to make the show number one. So our efforts are in the right direction, and inshallah, we will be at the top, Kasauti. And yes, thank you for your wishes on the awards. Thank you. And hey, hi, Praval Karnik. Hey, Panwal Karnik. Okay, Karniki. Hi, are you on set? Yes, I'm on the set. I'm on the set right now. I just packed up. Okay, I would love to come to Maldives. Please invite me. Please invite me. I would love to come to Maldives. It's a beautiful place. Anu Vyas. Hey, hi, Anu Vyas. Hey Venus, hi. I'm Ruha from Pakistan. Yay! Hey Ruha. Salam alaikum. Faisal ka salam alaikum. So yeah, I shot a web series and inshallah I'll be shooting more on Alt. Let's see what I will do this year. But I'm really excited. I'm looking forward for some interesting projects lined up for myself. And of course, Anurag is always there. So yeah, thank you so much. Hey Zaina from Madhya Pradesh. Hi. Hi. Mehak Garg. Hi, hi, hi. Hi Tanvina. Hi. Hey Pooja. Hi. What's up? Manik is the best character. Thank you. Thank you so much for appreciating my work. And of course, Yaria has been very special and close to my heart. The memories that I have on Kaisi Yaria was very special. Especially get along with all the people over there, all the artists over there, all my friends. So unfortunately, we have not been able to make time for each other. But yes, inshallah, we guys can catch up and have some great time, crazy time like last times. So yeah, thank you. Please say my name. Muskan. Hey Muskan. Hi. Hey Aditi. What's up? Aditi Singh. Hi. I'm a big fan. Yours and Erika, ma'am. Thank you, Yashasvi. Thank you, Yashasvi Jha. Thank you. Hey, hi. Hi, Atisha Shekhar. Hey. Hey, Mush. Hi. And also, thank you, Sakshi. Thank you so much. Thank you. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, Sakshi. Thank you, official. Okay, Priyu. Abhi, hi. कभी दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी भी आओगे क्या मोहित यस ऑफ कोर्स यार अगर तुम लोग बुलाओगे तो ज़रूर आऊँगा एंड आई हैव हर्ड अ लॉट अबाउट दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी एंड आई वुड लव टू be a part of some or the other event that you guys conduct every year that is your annual fest, be it your festivals. So I would love to be a part of any college fest. I love that craziness. I love those vibes that the students have. It's nice. It's amazing to go back to your college and spend some time with them. Yeah. Thank you. Anurag is the best character. So sweet. Thank you, Arshi. Thank you so much. Thank you for being so sweet. Thank you. Thank you. Please take my name. Vaishali Thirvani. Hi. Hey Vaishali. Hi. There. I am Prerna. Please take my name. Prerna. Okay. I took your name. Please Sanika. Hi. Hey Sanika. What's up? Hi. Hey Kanak. Hi. 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 Hey Shivani. Hi. Hi. What's up? Please visit USA. Yes, Waliha. I will visit USA very soon. Inshallah, we are able to catch up over there. And congratulations, Harshita. Thank you so much, Harshita. Thank you for your wishes, for congratulating on my award. Thank you. Thank you. And Sachi, hey, hi. Hi, hi. Just want to tell you, thank you so much, Ankita Nandi. Thank you. Thank you, yaar. Thank you, Priya. Thank you. Thank you, Priya. Hey, Anjali, hi. Hi, Kavita. Hey, Palak, hi, hi, hi. Hey Krishika, lots of love from Mumbai. Thank you so much. You're too good acting. You rock. गुजरात में सूरत में. Thank you so much. Thank you Komal. Yes, मैं बहुत जल्द गुजरात आऊँगा, सूरत आऊँगा और आपके साथ फाफड़ा और थेपला भी खाऊँगा. Thank you Mariam. Thank you Fatima. Thank you Mariam. Beena from Nepal. Yeah, see, Nepal people. Very sweet. Beena, hi Nepal. Hey, what's up? Hello Nepal. Hello Bangladesh. Hello Sri Lanka. Hello Maldives. Hello USA. Hello Pakistan. Thank you Nidhi. Thank you Moksha. Thank you so much. Thank you Karina. Thank you. Hey, hi. Hey Poonam. Hi. Definitely, it's been the longest time that I visited Pune. I will visit very soon. Kazakhstan. Crazy. I didn't get your name, but PQXXS. Okay. Devandita Das. Hi. Thank you, Madhuri. Thank you for wishing me. Congratulations. Thank you. Hey, Salva. Hi. Hi, Arpita. Okay, can you say my name? Vinita, hi. Hi, Vinita. Aditi Tomar, hey, hi. Aditi Tomar, hi. What's up? Okay. Mahia, अमरेंद्र सिंह, हे हाय. बिहार कब आओगे? जी आप जब भी बुलाओगे हम आएंगे. थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. दिघे आशीष ऑफिशियल, हे हाय. Thank you, Sakshi. Thank you, hi. Where is Erika and Hina, ma'am? Erika is busy changing because she's just packed up, and I've also packed up. Hina, unfortunately, today she's not shooting. So yeah. And why so cute, ladke? Thank you, Sundar Stephanie. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Come to Auckland. Oh yes. New Zealand, yeah. I would love to be there. I have heard a lot about New Zealand. In fact, from a couple of people I've heard that it's the most beautiful place. So, Auckland. Let's plan. Too much to travel. Yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Shilka. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Khushi. Thank you, Spashu Patil. Thank you. Congrats, Masha. Thank you, thank you, Masha. Thank you so much. जा रहा है?
आज उर्वशी मैम के साथ था ना.
ओह, सही है, सही है. जोधपुर आ जाओ. यस, जोधपुर भी आना है, जोधपुर भी जाना है, राजस्थान जाना है. Hey Amrita, I'm good, yaar. Thanks. How are you? Yes, Jain Didi, you made my portrait. I will definitely check it. Shaila Gohel, come to Gujarat. I will come to Gujarat. Big fan. Mona from Chandigarh. Yes, thank you so much. To me, congrats. Thank you, thank you. Pavitra from Malaysia. Oh yeah, it's good to know. Pavitra, thank you, thank you. Yaar. Sangeeta Soni. Mangalore I haven't been, so I have to come with Mangalore also. What about Maldives? I would love to come. Please invite me. Happy birthday. Thank you so much for wishing me. Thank you. Thank you, yaar. Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you, Priyanka. आपका नाम ले लिया. Thank you, Vinti Chauhan. Thank you so much for your wishes on my award. And yes, so thank you, Snehal. Hey, Abhilasha, hi. Hey, Vishaka, I'm good, yaar. How are you? Love from Hong Kong, Falgar. That's nice, yaar. Thank you so much. Since KYY, so sweet of you. Samaira, Chennai, so sweet. Thank you, yaar. Thank you, thank you. Anyway, I think it's time for me to leave. Hey, Kuntal, hi. Sneha, thank you so much for wishing me. So I think it's time for me to leave, and so that I can freshen up, I can wash myself, and I can change, and I can be a better version of myself. And yes, it's time. We are packed up, and our day ends over here. I will be heading home, and of course, inshallah, thank you so much for catching up with me. It was lovely talking to you guys, and I will definitely come very soon live on Instagram very soon. I promise. I promise every time that I will make it. But yes, this time I promise I will come. And thank you so much for interacting with me. I had fun. And next time, prepare yourself so that you can ask me some interesting questions so that I can answer it. And I can even think and I can answer it in the most humorous way. So please, yeah, let's do that. Let's have a fun chat. Let's have a fun interaction. So next time, we'll see you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. God bless you. Cheers. And thank you for wishing me on my birthday. And happy Holi once again. I'll see you very soon.